Assalamu alaikum friends, we are back with another video. Today we are going to talk about Sony Xperia 20. But before the start of the video, as usual, we are requesting you please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon and check out our other channel and website. Links are in the description. So let's start this video. Sony working on its new Xperia 20 that looks like 10 smartphone. The design is almost the same, but the specifications are a bit different than the previous variant of the 10 series. The recently leaked render of the Sony Xperia 20 reveals handful information about the upcoming smartphone. The render shows that the handset has got a dual rear camera setup along with a LED flash. Sony Xperia 20 will come with a 13 megapixel main sensor along with 5 megapixel depth sensor. On the front, the smartphone is having a front-facing camera of 8 megapixel. Sony Xperia 20 is going to come equipped with 6 inches IPS LCD screen that will give you Full HD plus resolution. The chipset that is used in the new Xperia 20 by Sony is a good one as compared to its previous model. It will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 SoC. Further, the SoC will be paired with 4 GB of RAM. On the storage side, the Sony Xperia 20 is packed with 64 GB of internal storage. Like its previous variant, it will also support micro SSD card that will give an option to enhance memory of the Sony Xperia 20. The 360-degree video also revealed that the bezels on the sides and at the bottom of the handset are very thin, but it is thick at the top of the screen. And that is understandable because Sony Xperia 20 holds loudspeaker and the front-facing camera. It measures 177.8 by 68.9 by 8.14 millimeter dimensions. The thing that we can find on the back of the smartphone is Fingerprint Reader. It shows that the Xperia 20 have a side-mounted fingerprint reader. This is the company that can outclass any of the tech giants like Samsung, Huawei and Oppo in the camera department.